चलो योग दिवस मनाएं, पूरे विश्व को स्वस्थ होने का मंत्र बताएं। 21st June 2020, the whole world is set to celebrate the 6th International Yoga Day. This International Day for Yoga was declared by United Nations General Assembly in December 2015. This year, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi was all set to celebrate 6th International Yoga Day. However, due to COVID-19 pandemic, Honorable PM Narendra Modi may attend the event digitally. The theme of International Day of Yoga 2020 is Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family. The theme is declared by Ministry of Ayush India. Yoga is a physical, mental or spiritual practice that is originated from India, which describes the complete way of life. Yoga is not at all about exercise, but to discover the things, identify yourself. The idea of International Yoga Day was proposed by our Prime Minister during the speech at UNGA General Assembly. PM also suggests 21 June as International Yoga Day. Yoga is very safe, easy and healthy way to get fit the whole life without any problems. It just needs regular practices in right way of body movement and breathing. It also regularizes the components of our body, mind and soul. Yoga is an ancient Indian tradition which was originated in India and practiced regularly by the yogis to get fit and meditate. By seeing benefits of yoga, the UNGS declared the International Day of Yoga to be celebrated every year on the 21st June. Yoga also comes from the Sanskrit word yuj. It means to join or connect, unite ourselves to others. Yoga is being practiced in India society since thousands of years ago. The form of exercise performed in yoga, also called asanas, which are capable of bringing about stability of body and mind. Yoga asanas are the simplest and the easiest way to reduce and exercise weight and keep fit. Yoga maintains physical fitness, reduces stress and control on our emotions, feelings, control our negative thoughts, feelings of general well-being. It also improves mental clarity, enhances self-understanding and connects to the natural and many more. And last but not the least, yoga practices, it can make you feel active, energetic and positive life to its full potential, health and happiness. If you can come together, if you practice yoga every day, you can fulfill and practice everything. And last but not the least, योग का नियमित अभ्यास कराएं, जीवन को खुशहाल बनाएं और स्वस्थ बनाएं. A very happy International Yoga Day. So again, a warm wishes to on this Yoga International Day. Be safe and be